Welcome back to another KeyShot quick tip. In this video, I'll briefly demonstrate how to navigate through your scene using different camera controls and keyboard shortcuts. It's important to know that moving your mouse moves the camera, not your model. The mouse is going to be your main method for controlling the position and orientation of your camera. Right now, I'm using the left mouse button to rotate, which means the camera is rotating around the model. To pan your camera, press and hold the middle mouse button while moving the mouse. This changes the position of your camera. To dolly or change the distance of your camera, roll the wheel on your mouse forward to increase and back to decrease that distance. With Geometry View open, you can see that when I move my mouse, that camera in the Geometry View window moves too, which provides a really good visual. In the Camera tab, you can also adjust your camera settings by moving these sliders, or by manipulating the X, Y, and Z values. Something to note if you want to bring your model back to the center quickly, just right-click and choose Center and Fit, and that will refocus your camera on the models or parts you have selected. So those are the essential navigation tips, but KeyShot also offers various keyboard controls, one of which is the ability to quickly cycle through cameras. If you press Shift plus N, that will toggle through the cameras you have created. If you want to cycle through some standard views, like front and back, you can hold Ctrl-Alt and then press any number 1 through 7 to toggle through that list. You can see a list of more KeyShot hotkeys by pressing K. And lastly, if you open the Setup Details window, you'll see this option under Camera Control where you can adjust the hotkey preset. If you're more familiar and more comfortable with the navigation settings from one of these listed programs, go ahead and select that, and KeyShot will mimic those navigation settings instead. Thanks for watching this KeyShot quick tip. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends.